Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Pooja. I hope you guys are doing good. This is literally a very chilled out Sunday afternoon in my apartment, and I thought I might as well make this time to talk about a few things that has been going on in my mind. So this video is going to be kind of like a chit chatty video. I am also going to talk about my new series that I'm having up on this channel, and it's first lesson number 1 of 30 lessons for a 30-year-old me, as I'm gonna turn 30 in a few months, and this is a thing that I'm doing which is more of a reflection to myself of how far I think I've come and what turning into 30, a number that I never thought I would, means to me, and the lessons that I learned along the way. So I hope you guys enjoy listening to me talk. I think you guys already do, and I'm gonna do this in a mix of Hindi and English, everything that I feel comfortable in, because as you guys know, I feel more comfortable in language that I speak at home or with my friends or everything of that sort. So I'm just gonna do that. So right off the bat, why this series 30 lessons for 30-year-old me? So I think we will just turn into 31 day, and everyone knows that time passes very fast. I feel I'm grateful and I'm lucky enough to be having a mental space where I can sit and talk about a lot of things. And just like you guys know, I have had a hard time with certain things, and it's not like कि सब कुछ बहुत easily हो रहा था, but नहीं भी हो रहा था. तो मैं एक ऐसे स्टेज ऑफ लाइफ में हूँ जहाँ मैं एक रिफ्लेक्टिव स्टेज में हूँ, बट नॉट इन पर्टिकुलर ब्रूडिंग ऑन माई थॉट्स, बट समटाइम्स दैट हैपन्स, राइट, वेयर यू आर थिंकिंग अ लॉट अबाउट व्हाट हैपेंड. I have sort of moved away from that mindset, and right now I'm just thinking of these things as some lessons that I can take away. So हर कुछ रोज़ी भी नहीं है, मतलब वो तो लाइफ ही है. इट्स नॉट जस्ट 0 and 1, बट अलॉन्ग द वे कुछ कुछ चीजें जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें मैं आज भी अपनी लाइफ में इम्प्लीमेंट करती हूँ, और मैंने लेट सीखी, जल्दी सीखी, कुछ 1 हफ्ते पहले सीखी होंगी, कुछ 1 साल 2 साल 3 साल पहले सीखी थी. और जब मैंने सीखा तो मुझे लगा कि ये जो एक माइंड सेट शिफ्ट आया मेरे में, जो मैं पहले सोचती थी और अब सोचती हूँ, ये काफी इंपॉर्टेंट था मेरी ग्रोथ के लिए. और ये छोटी छोटी चीजें कोई बता नहीं रहा होता, पता नहीं क्यों नहीं बता रहा होता, एंड पीपल आर ऑल्सो नॉट ओपनली टॉकिंग अबाउट दीज थिंग्स. आई लर्न सम ऑफ दीज थिंग्स फ्रॉम माई थेरेपिस्ट व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग थेरेपी. देन आई वुड टॉक टू अ लॉट ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स, दे वुड गिव मी सम एडवाइस. सो ओवर द इयर्स आई कीप कलेक्टिंग देम, एंड आई फील ऑल ऑफ दीज छोटी छोटी चीजें जो सबकॉन्शियसली मेरे माइंड में आई और मैं इम्प्लीमेंट भी कर रही थी, क्योंकि जिस भी समय मेरे पास एक सिचुएशन आती है तो मैं आई गो बैक टू दीज लेसन्स एंड आई रिमेंबर देम एंड आई इम्प्लीमेंट देम, एंड आई कुड सी दैट मेंटल क्लैरिटी ट्रांसलेटिंग इनटू tangible, actionable things that are helping me. And I guess in a way it has helped me succeed and be a calmer person, and also someone who is very steadfast in their thinking now. There are bad days, there are things that happens, and ऐसा नहीं है सब कुछ एकदम ठीक हो जाता है, पर उसके बाद भी अगर आपके पास एक टेनेंट है, like how we call, right, we have our principles, values, आई गेस थोड़ा बहुत चेंज होती रहती है, ऊपर नीचे होती रहती है, बट वो वैल्यूज होना इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्योंकि हाउ डू यू ट्रस्ट योर सेल्फ, राइट. बस वैल्यूज ही नहीं है, थॉट प्रोसेस नहीं है. और इस थॉट प्रोसेस को, ये जो भी वैल्यूज थे, आई हैव ऑल्सो होन्ड एंड सी, बिकॉज आई कम फ्रॉम लाइक मे बी अ tech background, and I always use these as data points to see इस input का क्या output आ रहा है. Output in the sense कि how I am feeling and what are the metric that I am gauging these emotions or these values against. कुछ चीजें ड्रॉप हो जाती हैं, they don't work for you, and कुछ चीजें ड्रॉप नहीं होती and they stay with you. And I am also giving this with a disclaimer that these overarching values would also come with like a dynamic factor added to them, क्योंकि with time, with who you are as a person, with responsibilities, सारी चीजें चेंज होती रहती है. तो take this with a grain of salt. Let's just get into the first lesson that I think is very important for everyone, and why I think कि it's worth talking about, है ना. तो let's get into the video. So when I was thinking about the things that I need to talk about, the first thing that came to my mind was I need to talk about how lately, and it should have always been there in my life, but lately I feel ki family is the most important thing in your life. So this is like lesson number 1, is family is the most important thing, and if you think it's not true I will bet on this that life will tell you otherwise. And if you're gonna run away from it or you're not gonna accept this fact, then also you're gonna find yourself in a lot of conflicts, which happen with a lot of people around me. I see a lot of young people struggling with their identity. Then people struggle with their identities later on in their life. And I guess once you have this thing in your mind, ki be what is there, like whatever it is, I need to stick with my family, things get a little bit easier. Now, before telling my experience of why I came to this conclusion and how it has helped me, I would also like to say that सब लोगों की family एक जैसी नहीं होती, and this is a known fact. We know, we often don't talk about these things, but there are people who don't have as supporting families. There are people who are alone in this world, and I'm just extremely sorry to, whenever I hear such stories, it just breaks my heart. And it's also the fact that some people have families, they are abusive, or they get into a new family and then it doesn't work out for them. All of these things are very, very mirrored in our society around us. And I would say that I sympathize with that thought. And if you find this video triggering in that sense, I would just tell you to not watch this further. It's not going to be triggering, but I do understand some people might feel bad about it. So consider not watching the video if you're at that point. Okay, ठीक है, with that out of the way, I will tell you something about myself. So where I come from, like my family background. It's me, my parents, my siblings, and we lost our grandparents when we were young. So it was just a very nuclear household. And my mom is a working woman. My dad was working. Early on, we were very encouraged to, study a lot, be good at academics, because, in Indian middle class families, this is your ticket to success. You just can have merit, and that's how you have a chance to secure life, one where you are financially secure. So that was the case with my family also. Or we were brought up with fairly like middle class values ki yes, you should be honest, hardworking, family se प्यार करो, and there was a lot of love in our family. तो वो सब काफी अच्छा था. उसके साथ I have seen that when you are in a, and this is just a statement which I have seen from my experience growing up, even though I am a girl, right? And my sister is also a girl, right? And yeah, so I'm gonna talk about this thing where when we were, so there was quite a lot of love in our family, but uske alawa, because all of us were encouraged to focus our energies on our goal, and our parents were really supportive in that sense that they would take care of everything. Like they would try to take care of us financially, household chores, everything. It wasn't like we were very well off. Actually, we were, for a bit of time, we were not also doing really good financially. All of these things were there. They have this filter, right, for their kids, that they'll take everything, all the troubles. And we were raised to be very, carefree kids. और उसके साथ साथ हम लोग काफी इंडिपेंडेंटली भी थिंक करते थे सारे. Like all three of us have different interests and different type of temperaments, and we grew up to be different people. So when that happens, there is a lot of conflict that happens in our family, which is fine. We have a forum for open discussion, and we were encouraged to talk. Like I never thought that my parents are like, there are conflicts, but they would never just tell us that we'll disown you if you'll not do this, or if you will speak a certain way. So it wasn't like that. So we grew up to be pretty independent people, and with that, maybe let's say when you are in teenage years. So I used to be thoda sa, homebody kind of person, and I used to read back then also, and I was really focusing my energy on academics. So I would feel a little bit detached with my siblings, which happens. Like ये तो बहुत normal सी चीज है. And जब आप teenager होते हो तो आपको अपने friends अच्छे लग रहे होते हैं, या फिर आपको कोई स्कूल में कोई crush होता है, या फिर आप एकदम you're growing up, so you are not very concerned about your parents' feelings anymore. जब आप छोटे होते हो तो आपके parents सब कुछ होते हैं आपके लिए. फिर धीरे धीरे आप बड़े होते रहते हो तो आपको पीयर प्रेशर भी होता है, आप सोसाइटी में जाते हो, आप हाई स्कूल जा रहे हो. देन आई वेंट टू कॉलेज, देन इट वाज अ डिफरेंट गेम ऑल टुगेदर. लाइक आई वाज द फर्स्ट वन टू लीव माई हाउस, राइट, बिकॉज आई एम द एल्डेस्ट किड. एंड आई रिमेंबर माई पेरेंट्स दे केम टू ड्रॉप मी देयर, एंड उसके बाद फॉर द फर्स्ट ईयर आई वाज ऑल्सो होम सिक. बट बैक होम माई my sister, my siblings, they're missing me a lot, and my parents also miss me a lot. And then that's where the shift started coming. So as you will start doing jobs, as my sister went to college, my brother went to college, everyone is leaving the house, everyone is kind of like spread out now. And I was in a state of mind also where you can say I was a people pleaser, and it really mattered to me that what others think of me. And this others is not like my family members, it's more of like people around me. And this trend I saw up until when I moved to London, and I would tell you how that bit me in the back so badly. Because you know, the thing about trying to please people is people have different traits, and people have different personalities. They have different personalities for different people. A person can be behaving differently at workplace. They would behave differently when they're alone. Maybe I was naive. And then I also used to invest a lot of my energy into these people around me, friends, and which is like, if you would do anything in extreme and then you would expect something out of it, it is not a very healthy way to think about things. ओके वो तो एक बात हुई, चलो इसके बारे में आई प्रॉब्ली टॉक अबाउट इन सम अदर वीडियोस. पर विद दैट आई एम नॉट इन्वेस्टिंग. सो मेरे पास मान लो एक्स अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी है. अब ये एनर्जी इफ आई एम इन्वेस्टिंग इन टू समथिंग else, and I know it for a fact that this energy that I'm investing in something else is not going to be as rewarding, because I feel when I invested the same amount of energy, or maybe let's say like 70% of that energy into my family, I get a lot more rewards in terms of I feel more connected, I feel more at peace. And I know it for a fact that that is the kind of love that's unconditional, as opposed to, you know, if you are in a social group or any other group where people want something out of you. And it is not necessarily a bad thing. That is how relationships work. But family is one relationship where you are bound together just by the virtue of, you know, blood, flesh. And that could be bad for some people. Particularly for me, it was always good. And I was kind of overlooking that fact, I would say. So our family dynamics also changed over the years. We lost our dad a few years back, and it was very heartbreaking for all of us. I'm not gonna go deep into it, but after that, there was a point where, you know, this is a family unit and it's shaken beyond measure. And as my therapist also put it, and as I understood later on, then with time you have to rearrange that family dynamics around each other for you to function as a unit. And that's what has been an ongoing effort from all of our ends. That's when we, I guess, decided to connect with each other a lot, and we are more open with regards to our struggle than we ever was. I guess because I am also the eldest kid, मेरे को थोड़ा प्रेशर था कि मैं अपनी वीकनेस या वनरेबिलिटी नहीं दिखाऊं, वो होता था. And there was not a lot of talk about mental health issues around that time. Times have changed now, and ऐसे हमारे घर में कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम होती है या कुछ भी ऐसा बात होती है, तो वी ट्राई टू टॉक टू ईच अदर फर्स्ट. अनदर पॉइंट आई ऐड टू इट, आई विल एग्री टू दिस मिस्टेक दैट whenever there was a problem in my life, I would seek validation or advice outside my family unit, which I realize in hindsight is something of, you know, airing your dirty laundry. And I would say most of my friends were good, but some of them, like not all of them, are good. And when you find yourself talking about your family this much, it can negatively affect you. Like I have been in spaces where people use this information against me, and now I never do that. And if there is any problem, I try to talk with my family first, and I keep it within that circle. That makes me feel more secure, because I know my family, I know them, I know that whatever happens, they are there for me. They're gonna support me and they're gonna make me feel seen. So वो जो एक कनेक्शन होता है ना, लाइक आई हैव मूव्ड आउटसाइड ऑफ इंडिया कितने पहले, और अभी भी मैं ऐसे, हमें बहुत टाइम लगा उस चीज़ को सेटल करने में कि वी आर कॉलिंग ईच अदर एवरी सिंगल डे एंड वी आर ट्राइंग टू बी अपडेटेड विद वट एवर इज हैपनिंग विद इन ईच अदर्स लाइफ, एंड दैट काइंड ऑफ मेक्स me feel less alone. And aside from the fact कि अब मेरे को अजीब नहीं लगता अपनी vulnerability शेयर करने में, और मुझे हमेशा स्ट्रांग नहीं रहना है के सामने, तो उस चीज़ की वजह से जब मैंने कुछ चीज़ें एक्सेप्ट की तो मैं उससे आगे भी बढ़ पाई, और फिर मुझे एक सपोर्ट भी था कि देयर इज ऑलवेज समवन स्टैंडिंग behind me. That is amazing. Okay, that is one thing that you need in your life. It could be a friend. I am not saying it cannot be a friend, but you have to be really careful. Like you know, right? Even only if it's your sister or your brother or your dad or your mom, this one person who you can rely on, that's way better than, you know, someone who you have known just from work or just from, you know, uni or something like that. I am telling this from my experience that I found like having a family relationship and investing in it more fulfilling. Second point to this is, when I started doing that, I also felt that I'm not alone, and I also felt that I needed them so much, because sometimes I feel lonely and I can relate. I can talk to my sister about stuff, any stuff, and we can go back to, you know, how when we were kids we used to do that. So we have a healthy conversation like that, and I have these conversations with my friends too, but it's not the same. So I feel one with something. I feel like I belong somewhere, even though I do a lot of stuff on my own, but need to feel rooted. So that is what a family unit provides me. So in that regard, I will always invest more time and energy in my family than you know, in social relationships. To add to this point, I will also like to say that, like, with time, as I described, that my family dynamics changed. I also recently got married, so I starting a new family, so I'm very aware of that fact. So this is like, you know, how I like to see this Venn diagram or chart is that these are various family units, and then we are trying to branch off and have our own family unit in our space, and, you know, have some intersection with both the families. So I also invest time in doing and maintaining those relationships. And so far मैंने देखा है कि शुरू में जैसे दो फैमिली साथ में आती है तो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स होते हैं, थोड़ा बहुत एडजस्टमेंट होता है, बट धीरे 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 जैसे जैसे आप करते जाते हो उन चीज़ों को सॉर्ट करने की, या फिर बात करने की, क्रिएट करने की, या फिर एक दूसरे के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करने की, बातें करने की, उसके साथ धीरे धीरे आपको ये अवेयरनेस आने लगती है कि हाँ, एक नई चीज हम कर रहे हैं, बट इट्स स्टिल लाइक amalgamation of two values and whatever new values you're trying to create from there. So anything that used to happen in my life, I would talk to my siblings, I would talk to my parents, that would happen. But now I have found a new family member, which is like my husband. So I know for a fact he is very well invested in my growth, and he's very well there for me always. So अगर कुछ भी बात हो रही है तो I will talk to him first. I will tell him every single thing, how I'm thinking, if I'm struggling with something, trying to find help from him rather than seeking the validation of other people. ठीक है, जो की और एक चीज है जो मुझे सेफ और सिक्योर बनाती है अपने खुद के प्रोसेस में और अपने खुद की लाइफ में. और मैं भी बहुत ज्यादा टाइम इन्वेस्ट करती हूँ trying to understand his family, his needs, and we work as a team, and we are trying to create a strong foundation for ourselves in every single pillar of our life. I have certainly felt every relationship or every component will have like a tier in your life. So this is like the closest tier to me, is what family is. So then people around that tier would have little less of my energy. But if I have like X amount of energy in a day, I would rather spend on this than try to give it to others. And that's perfectly fine. And that has also made me a more secure person, where I know that my family is always there for me. So I don't need to seek out a lot of social relationship just for the sake of it. If I find someone nice, I can talk to them. But it doesn't mean that I have to just keep investing energy into friendships and relationship. You should do that with people that you love. But if I have this security that I always have my family back home, I don't find myself desperate, and I don't find myself being a people pleaser, and I don't find myself feeling like I'm alone. So ये बहुत important था लाइफ में. मेरे लिए क्यों important था मुझे शायद इसलिए लगता है because I have been a little bit insecure in some things in my life. अभी मैं नहीं वैसा फील करती. तो ये जब tenants मेरे लिए मैंने देखे कि मेरे लिए work कर रहे हैं, which is like a family unit or like the support of a family, I found myself being calmer and being able to look at some things in a perfect light, and then work on my mental health. And it has been a journey after that. So ये मेरे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट लेसन था एंड आई थिंक आई हैव टॉक्ड इनफ अबाउट इट. आई वुड ऑल्सो लाइक टू नो योर थॉट्स अबाउट क्या सोचते हो इस बारे में. एंड इट कैन बी एनीथिंग, एज आई सेड. It's not 0 and 1 as I'm describing, but I'm just describing my experience and how I think this thing, like having a family unit and investing energy into it. And I would also like to add one thing, okay, one final thing before I shut this video off is, I know families are not perfect. It's not like whatever your parents are saying, you should just agree to it. Or if, you know, there is a certain expectation between siblings and it's not getting, you're not able to fulfill it, you should feel bad about it. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that as families, you need to work through things. And at the end of the day, you are a family and your success as a family is dependent on all the moving parts of it, and you have a role to play. Just tap into that. You can have your individuality, but you have some role, some energy to invest in family, because then you would be rewarded for it also. So do not just completely overlook the fact that everything would be hunky-dory even if you don't invest energy into it, or worse still, that I don't relate with my family, I just don't really care about it. Both of these views are very extreme. There's always a middle ground that you can reach, and I'm going to tell you that if you're able to find that sweet spot in this family dynamic, it's going to just reward you. तो बस मेरे को यही कहना था for today. And as I said, I'm open to your thought process, your comments, or your experiences about what you think about family and what has been your family dynamics like and how it has changed over the years. And do you feel that you are more in tune with your values after you tapped into that potential of being more connected with your family? Okay, I hope you guys have a good rest of the day, and I'm just gonna enjoy my weekend now. Bye. Thank you for listening. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you guys next time.